Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina with Karina Loves to Plan, and here I am decorating in my Hobonichi cousin for the week of December 4th through 10th. And I'm counting down and I'm like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spreads left in this planner before I move into my Sterling Ink Common Planner. Ooh, all right, so this week I will be decorating with Frosty blooms from According to Allie. I love her bloom stickers because they're just so fun, so colorful, and they're very seasonal. But I also feel like this wouldn't just necessarily be for winter or for Christmas. They're pretty. And if you would like, you can use my code Karina10 for 10% off your order from According to Allie. Let's get started. Now, I think I'm gonna try and pair this with some Simply Gilded washi. How many stickers do I want? Because I do want to save some of these stickers for one of my daily spreads. So let's just go straight for the one in the middle and place this right okay, there. And then I will place a bigger one here, and I really don't mind covering the dates just because, I mean, I know what day it is. And then that little bit that's on the side there. I'm gonna put one here in the corner, but with some washi over it. What do I want to do? I think I want to save one of these smaller ones for maybe this corner here. Oh, that's cute. And then add a little washi. It's always so funny using Simply Gilded washi again because I haven't used it in so long, and then I remember which way the roll moves out. Then maybe I'm gonna cut one of these in half, and then that way I can get all the benefit of that floral in both spots. So I'm going to, whoops. Do I want to do it this way or do I want to do it this way? I think I'll do it this way. And then this other half will go in the daily spread, and then this one will go up here. And then this rest I'm going to save for my daily spread. Okay, I actually like where all of that is going. Keeping it simple. Nice. Then adding some of this Simply Gilded washi. I went through a phase where I bought all the washi, and I think as planners we all do that. We all have phases of, you know, buying all the washi, buying all the icons, and then discovering what we do need and what we don't need. And I think in terms of how many stickers I know I use and how much washi I know I use, I don't buy as much washi now. I don't purchase a ton of stickers right now because I have what I need, and it's really helpful for me because then I'm really just shopping my stash and using what I have versus stressing out and making sure I'm buying, you know, the newest sticker book or yeah, I went through. Anyway, let's not go off into that tangent. Okay, so you know what? I want to try something new here. My lovely friend Katie was experimenting with something in her planner, and I kind of want to do that here. So what she did was she was using, is that the one? Hampton Harbor Sage from Ferris Wheel Press, and she was using them as headers in her planner. So what I'm thinking of doing is, if I can find my, there we go, using this for headers along with the ink that is in here. So let's see. This is going to be so new for me and messy. So putting that in my ink sample file holder, and I'm just going to create headers. Oops. Oh, that's the perfect green. And then how many do I need to go down for workouts? So there. For workouts, and then I'll actually write in what I need with a Tombow Hobonichi brush pen, and then going in there to do work. Oh, I really like this so far because it is the perfect color. Gorgeous. So I've never done this before, so very interesting. Yay. Very simple, didn't need a lot of that, so I'm gonna wash that off here. Well, I don't have water, but I'm gonna put that away right now because knowing me, I will spill that. So now that that ink has dried a little bit, I'm gonna go in and write in the word sleep. Actually, yeah, that's working really well. And then work out. Why have I never done this before? And then work. Now, the only thing is, it didn't bleed through too much. And plus, I mean, I'm not going back to use the other spread. Oh, I really like that. I'm so glad that Katie showed me her spread this morning using that ink. Then I'm gonna go in with my new pen, which I've already filmed the unboxing of this, I just haven't posted it yet. So this currently has a Diamine Yule Log in it. So going with all the shimmer, drawing in my sleep score. Now, my mom passed down her Apple Watch to me, her Series 1 is what I think the box said, and I just have to get that set up. Do you ever do this thing where, you know, for me, sometimes I delay things because I'm like, I need to be in the right mindset and the right focus to be able to do it. And I think I'll save that for tonight. So today I've already done 10 rounds. It's week 4, I believe, the upper body. Tomorrow is the week 4 lower. And then I take a break and do my stepper. I love my stepper machine. And then I repeat. So I've kind of created my own little workout at the moment. And then I think once this is done, I'm going to get back into either lift more or lift 4. I do love the lifting workouts. Then I feel like I need to put a little quote there. Now Allie has some good quotes, and this sticker album is also from According to Allie. I am an affiliate for her. So where are all the other quotes? Here we go. There's some New Year quotes. Let's see what she's got. Winter Wonderland quotes. Let's see. Winter Wonderland, Cold Hands, Believe. Ooh, I'm only a morning person on December 25th. That would be my husband. Not me. I am a morning person. Let's see what would fit in there. Would Fa La 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 fit? Let's see. Well, let's move that out of the way. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, there we go. All right. Then I took out the whole sticker album for one quote. That's okay. I love sticker albums like this because it keeps everything neat. But I now have 5 of According to Allie's sticker albums. Okay. So now I'm actually going to draw in the arrows for work, but after I write down the word meals down here. And I keep track of meals kind of sporadically. It's not something that I'm too strict on. If I want to keep track of it in more detail, I will, but right now it's more just, it's there. I'm going to get myself a blotter because I'm going to smear something, knowing me. So then drawing the arrows in for my work shifts and doing this at a weird angle. See, this is the only thing with like book bound planners. When I made the transition from Happy Planner or Disc Planner to a book bound, I either had to turn the whole planner around to get to certain angles, or I was just going like this with the pen. Okay. So what do we have here so far? All right, so now let's go in and do the day-to-day thing. So today in my to-do, I'm going to just put this blotting paper there just so I don't smudge. To do, I have to meal plan, order groceries. Gosh, I'm really liking the combination of this so far. It's so pretty. And then on Tuesday, put out garbage. And now let's refer to my lovely sticker album with all of the icons that I'm still trying to work through. I will probably have enough icons until 2025. Yeah, so let's just work through these week by week. I know there's a cute little garbage one there. And here we go. I love my tweezers. Anyone else start using tweezers because of planning? I mean, anyway, you know what I mean. I've mentioned this in a previous video before. Tweezers were never my thing with planning, and then I saw somebody use it, and now it's the way to go. So then we have the cleaner coming on Wednesday. I'm so grateful for a cleaner once a month. It just makes life so much easier. So it's from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Oh, so much simpler. Okay, then Thursday, my husband will pick up groceries. Okay, let's continue to use these until we finish the sticker sheet. So pick up groceries. And then Friday is my day off from work. And I love my Fridays off. When you work 4 10-hour shifts, I actually prefer having the longer day and then getting the longer weekend. And since I work from home anyway, I don't have to worry about a commute or anything. So, okay, I'm gonna do it like this. So, probably, yeah, 10 o'clock, WW at, and then immediately after, I have an appointment for a massage. So let's find a nice dot sticker that will go with that. I used all those ones already. Yes, I just have these waiting on the side. All of these ones now. I may just, no, I have a massage sticker somewhere. No, I'm gonna use my appointment sticker. There we go. And it's a longer massage, thank goodness. So say 10:20 massage. It's an hour and a half. I'm so excited. Indulgence. Okay, and then that afternoon I will be filming. or at least editing videos. So let's pull my YouTube icon here. Oh, look at that. One more left. And so probably from 1 o'clock or 12:30, I have to film. I'll have to film my cousin video. And then there's a couple more, but I haven't figured out the full schedule yet. So that is coming. And then after school, taking the kids for bubble tea, which is always nice. It's the Friday thing that they look forward to. So the kids to cocoa. And then I haven't decided yet, because now my routine has started to change a little bit in terms of laundry. I've been doing 2 loads of laundry each week now. Before I was just folding laundry once a week. Now it's, for the last really 3 weeks or so, I've been doing it twice a week, like on Wednesdays and then Sunday night. So I think I'll continue doing that this week. And also just winter clothes are just so much thicker. Winter clothes are just, there's more to it. So I'm going to put that here for folding laundry. And then Saturday, we don't actually have any plans this weekend. And I'm thinking, there's something that I'm thinking about in my head for plans, but nothing as of yet. But nothing happening this day so far, except the kids and I have to go to church on Saturday. So 4:30 Mass. And then Sunday, Henry's Ninja. Which color? Let's just do a white one. And he loves Ninja. He's not doing it for the competition. He's doing it because he just loves being able to run around and run up a wall. Actually, most recently, or the last time I went to watch him a couple of weeks ago, he showed me, if anybody is familiar with the Ultimate Ninja Warrior, you know about that wall that they have to climb at the very end of the race. And when he first started doing Ninja, he wasn't really able to make it up that wall. And a couple of weeks ago, he showed me he was able to make it up the hardest wall. So there were 3 different levels. And when he first started a year ago, he could barely make it up the beginner wall. And then a couple weeks ago, he showed me how he got up the advanced wall. I was so happy I got that on camera and everything. Is there anything else I need to add? I feel like there is stuff that needs to go in here, but not yet. And I don't know, maybe I need a coffee date in there somewhere with Adrian. Adrian, if you're listening. Hey, Frankie. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I love Allie's florals, but I also love how the ink has worked as headers. I'm probably gonna continue doing that. That's such a great idea. Thank you, Katie, for that marvelous idea. All right, but that is it for me, and I hope that I've been recording all this time. Thank goodness I have. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you guys liked this video, or if you like this video, and when I say guys, I mean everyone is a collective. I don't mean that in any particular way, but I mean all of you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.